Well, good morning. Today is going to be an awesome day. We're out here at Coyote Butte, and look at this. The butte, everything in there is filled. We got cars filled up in the pit up top. We have cars stretched up down half a mile of China Hat Road. This is all the crew leaders parked here for the cleanup crews. And I've been helping park cars all morning, so finally gotta come back a chance and grab all these trash grabbers somebody sent me, and I couldn't find anywhere where it said who. So whoever sent these to me, huge thank you. These are going to be a massive help. We're going to go hand them out to some of the older people who have trouble bending over and picking up, to make it easier for them. And this is the first, like, I don't know, fan mail package I've ever got. It's also my favorite one, so thank you very much, whoever you are. We really appreciate it. I'm gonna get headed back up to the main sign-in area and all that, and get caught back up with the other crew leader stuff, pass out some of these, and then we're gonna get going. We got the Forest Service out here helping out, Sheriff's Department's helping out. We've got all these rigs with dump trailers. All kinds of people just showed up with their own trailers. Just a huge turnout. It's awesome to see this many people want to come help out. So we're gonna get a lot of stuff done today. It's gonna be good.
One of the guys this morning said he felt like he had first experience of a real family around here.
All right, well, now we're starting the Great Migration out to the different cleanup zones that everyone got assigned to. I'm assigned as one of the crew leaders to group zone 3, and so I'm gonna head out there. We're gonna do a head count of our people when we get there and get started. Okay, so we got a fork in the road right here. I'm gonna walk up this way and see how bad it is up this way, and if we want to head this way or just go out the main road we're going on. And we want to come up this way. We've got 19 people in our crew, and they're all doing an awesome job. So this is, you can see that, a big bonfire here and a whole mess of stuff. So we've got a couple dump trailers going and a couple more pickup beds full of stuff, and it's going really well. I just went back to go grab some more supplies, and it's going and clean that quick. These guys are doing awesome. All right, we're all heading back to the cars, because just like that, look at this. Now this site that was trashed is a beautiful campsite again. That's a Bessie Butte right there. You got a perfect view of fire pit. Just a nice spot out in the woods to go camping, and now it's clean and the public can get back out here and enjoy it the way it's meant to be enjoyed. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm doing a horrible job documenting and filming this, but now that I've got a little bit of driving stretch to do, hi, I'm here. I just ran a couple of the guys back over to where we left one of the dump trailers, because we've got the dump trailers we took with us out through the woods. They're full, stuffed completely. So we ran back around, got one of the bigger dump trailers we didn't want to take through the trails, and now we're going to take it around the roadside and in from the other side and start filling that one up too, because we've got a lot of garbage. So yeah, it's a tough balance of, like, I want to work, I want to clean this up, like this is my goal, but I know this helps promote it and helps get people out here. I mean, I don't think I'm any big super great influence on what anybody does, but I have had quite a few people today tell me that they came out here because they saw this video, and that's how they heard the last video, and that's how they heard about it. So I want to keep promoting this and make this a much bigger thing, but I also don't want to be the guy just walking around with the camera not doing any work, because I like to work. All right, like, look at this here. I just have one crew of 19 people along with Derek, my other crew leader. There's 300 people out here at least. Look at this dumpster over here, completely overflowing. Like, there is so much going on out here, so much stuff happening. It is amazing what's getting accomplished. There's these dumpsters staged all over the place, and they're full. Like, people are doing an awesome job. Okay, we are back out to here where we had the crew just pile up and bag a bunch of the trash here, because the other dump trailers we had were all full. So let's see if I can not hit a tree. And We got this dump trailer coming in. We didn't bring it in through the wood trail because it's fairly big truck and trailer, so but it can fit to this spot, so we had everything piled up here. Okay, we got all that bag stuff picked up that the rest of the crew left there for us, and now it sounds like we're going to meet up with another crew who's got themselves a fairly big project across the road. So let's go see what that's all about.
We can see if
oh, this is where all that cabin, shelter set up.
we showed up and it was just cut down. So then there's 2 more dump sites further down.
So there's a guy who wants to help clean up his own site?
Yeah, there's 2 of them.
Perfect.
Yeah.
How's it going, Dylan?
Hello.
This was a pretty extensive site. So these people had actually built a cabin out here. They had it on pier blocks and a foundation and everything. And now it's in that trailer. Derek's cutting up some of the metal framework of it.
That was hilarious.
It is amazing what people do out here. So we came out here on our scouting run. This whole cabin was here. And then we came out a couple days ago just to make sure everything was ready to go for the cleanup. And the sheriff's been working on telling these people they had to leave. And it was all demolished and laying in a pile on the ground. So now it's on a pile in the trailer. So half the work was done for us. Now we just got to haul it out of here. Pretty good when you can find sideboards for your trailer in the woods.
We're winning.
Yeah, look how tall it is now. You can fit more stuff in there now. Yeah, they had like a log cabin built out here.
I guess according to the
Where's your
Forest-
hard hat?
Right. According to the Forest Service, it was up like 3 days ago.
Yeah, and then this the other day it was cut down.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're heading just a little farther down this trail. One of the residents out here that's living out here wants to see if we can help clean his side up, since we've got the resources to do it sitting right here, and he does not, and he doesn't want to just have a trash pile here. So we're gonna go help him clean up his site, and then another couple more down a little farther. So are we making this disappear?
We have 20 minutes to make this go away.
All right, we got half hour.
Timer's ticking.
Yep.
How about?
So we have a hard deadline of 1 o'clock. We have to be done from back at Coyote Butte. And we gotta make this disappear. We gonna start chopping?
Yeah.
I'll grab my sawzall too. Okay, you guys just stay right there. I'm gonna go cut stuff up.
Is that where you want me? A little closer?
That'll work. We'll cut your hands. How do we, I was thinking cut the nose off, or are you gonna slice it down the middle?
I'm gonna start cutting across the top of that. I cut
Copy
the
that.
nose off.
There we go. Go. We go up with it.
Okay, Jeremy, we missed our deadline by 10 minutes.
Well, wait.
That's early in
We're
Jeremy time.
early on Jeremy time.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So not all of it fit in that.
Finishing ahead of time.
The heavy piece, which is the frame, was too heavy, so we got it strapped to my wheel like a forklift, and we're gonna see. I'm just gonna widen the road on the way out. Is what we're gonna do.
You'll lead the way.
All right. Okay, but we have hit our 1 o'clock deadline. This event is permitted to go till 1. We push it a little bit, and then they're having some awesome restaurants in town have donated food and lunch for everyone, so we're gonna head back to the main staging area and go get on that. Kevin, there's a lot of stuff coming out of the woods.
Holy shit! Oh my god, dude, our numbers are gonna be nuts.
All right, we are getting back into the main staging area. A bunch of people are already back here. We've got trailers coming in like crazy. We got more loaded trailers behind us. Dumpsters are filled to the max. Sandwiches and lunch for everyone over here. It's so cool. Cameron?
What's up, buddy?
Who gave you a badge?
The sheriff. He thought I was important enough to be a representative.
So you know, Cameron doesn't even like work here or anything. He just found a vest and a radio and started doing stuff.
I heard there's free beer, so I wanted to come out and support.
No, he actually really does do a lot for this. So.
I try.
Yeah, good dude. It's heavier than what slide it right in the back.
Somewhere very close.
Right, crowd of people's gone. Everybody got sandwiches here. This is a New York City sub shop truck, and so I finally got some food now that everyone else is gone. Sandwich is amazing. Like, it's good. So if you see that truck anywhere, stop and get a sandwich. It's worth it. So now I am headed to the gas station and then the car wash because my truck is out of fuel and is an absolute complete disaster. But that is totally okay because even being just a little part of the difference that was made today is 100% worth it. I think after this, a dump trailer is definitely very high on my list of things to get because that's what we were most short on today. So I think I'm gonna look into a dump trailer. If anyone knows where there's a good deal on a dump trailer, let me know. But aside from all that, like, amazing day. Kevin, Jeremy, and Brent, the 3 guys that started and are running PLS Bend. Huge thank you to you guys to do an event this big on the first shot as the new organization and have it go so smooth and everything work so well and so much got accomplished. Like, huge shout out and a huge thank you to you guys. You absolutely nailed it, and this is going to be a very successful thing because of what you're doing. But that is going to be the end of this video. We're all wrapped up and headed out. Hope that you guys enjoyed that. Thank you to everybody involved in making this happen. We're going to do a lot more of it. See you next time.